Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to set the language on the MangaTOON application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Tap to the main section on the lower right corner of the screen, and go to the settings button on the upper right corner of the screen, and find in the language section, and here you can choose language and just step on it and tap to the confirm button and on. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.